Welcome to the EPA's Expo booking portal. If you are an exhibitor, click Login to access your dashboard. If you are a new exhibitor, click Register to create your account. If you are non-exhibitor, click No and select Inquire Now to book a space. Fill in the required details and click Submit. New exhibitors should click on Register and complete all the required fields. A confirmation email will be sent to the admin. Once approved, you'll receive your user ID and password via email. Click Login, enter your credentials to access the online booking dashboard. After logging in, the exhibitor can review their registration details and provide additional information such as address, contact details, and more. This step also involves updating the exhibitor profile on the app by adding company and product details, and uploading relevant files or video links to enhance visibility. In the Add Exhibitor Badges section, exhibitors can assign up to 8 badges for their staff attending the exhibition. If more badges are needed, they can fill in the details and submit a request, which will be sent to the organizer. Additional badges will be added upon the organizer's approval. The Change or Update Password feature allows users to reset their password. Simply enter your registered email ID and click Send. An email with instructions to change your password will then be sent to you. Next, proceed to view invoices or payments. You have to update payment details after each installment and upload the screenshot of the payment you made. Once you submit the payment details, they will be reviewed by the organizer. Upon approval, the payment will be listed in the table, and you will receive an email confirming the installment payment. Bank details for payments can be accessed via the View Bank Details section. An exhibitor can download the brochure or submit an inquiry for any sponsorship category they are interested in. When the exhibitor clicks on Send Inquiry, the details are sent to the organizer, who will then follow up and take the process forward. Now go to Services and fill all the forms listed here. These include Stall Design, Product Listing, Exhibitor Badges, Exhibitor Profile for the app, Fascia, Exhibitors Directory, Heavy Product Specification, Best Stall Contest. Complete all required forms to finalize your participation.